Today, I will walk through the creation of a bilingual voice AI agent using the Speechmatics Portal. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna choose a create option within the Flow Voice AI section. And we're gonna pick one of the templates. Let's choose a starter agent. Let's give it a name. We're gonna create an agent that is gonna host like a quiz game to learn some Spanish. So let's give it the name of quiz game, and let's start creating this agent and editing the configuration. So the first thing we're gonna choose is the language. Let's pick English, Spanish. Now the voice, English, Spanish male. And now let's give it a prompt. We can expand this view, and I'm gonna paste a prompt that I already have. This prompt tells the agent to host like a simple quiz game about Spanish dishes, and each player has like 2 attempts to try to guess the dish. And that's it. There, we save it. Next, we want the agent to speak first. Yes. Define the first message. Yes, we want to define the first message. Just put something simple like ready play. First, tell me your name, please. And yeah, let's save this configuration. And let's try the agent.
Ready to play? First tell me your name, please.
Hi, my name is Anart. Okay.
Hi, Snart. Let's dive into the world of...
Okay, it didn't pick up my name properly because it's not very common. So let's try to fix this using the advanced configuration and adding a custom dictionary entry here to help the speech to text to pick my name properly. So let's put that there, apply, save the configuration, and let's start a new session to test these new changes.
Ready to play? First tell me your name, please.
Hi, my name is Anart.
Great to meet you, Anart. Let's dive into the world of Spanish cuisine. I'll go first with a dish for you to guess. Here's your clue. It's a cold soup made with tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers and onions, typically served in the summer. What do you think it is?
Esta es muy fácil, es gazpacho.
Correcto, you nailed it. Gazpacho is a refreshing cold soup perfect for hot summer days. It's made primarily with tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers and onions. En español, el gazpacho es una sopa fría que se sirve en verano, hecha principalmente con tomates, pimientos, pepinos y cebollas. Now it's your turn to give me a dish to guess.
Vale, este es un plato típico del norte de España y el ingrediente principal es el bacalao.
A typical dish from the north of Spain with cod as the main ingredient. Could it be bacalao a la vizcaína?
No.
All right, let me try again. Could it be bacalao al pil pil?
Sí, has acertado.
Genial. Bacalao al pil pil is a classic Basque dish made with cod, garlic and olive oil, where the sauce is created by emulsifying the oil with the fish's natural gelatin. En español, bacalao al pil pil es un plato clásico del País Vasco, hecho con bacalao, ajo y aceite de oliva, donde la salsa se crea emulsionando el aceite con la gelatina natural del pescado. Ready for another round? I'll pick a dish for you to guess.
Okay, I think that's pretty good. So it's a good starting point. So yeah, hope you find this video useful and see you in the next one.